must find his base.
Yeah. And find that moment where if I'm touching, there's that magnet right there. When you stand, that magnet is what you're working on. So right on that magnetic reaction. So your feet in again. Find that reaction, that's it. Yeah. Now stand and remember that feeling of the magnet repelling, and that's your standing frequency. You just pay attention to that. You can just observe it for a moment, like 10, 20 seconds, and then to check whether it's correct, you come in and feed her, and then she stretches through you. So her mind gradually is withdrawing, so nothing will happen. But if you keep stretching out, when he touches you, it'll work. And you just keep training how to stand.